So on Saturday night or Sunday morning, you're going to go to a chart that looks like this. It needs to clearly be trending. You're going to go to the weekly time frame. If it's above the 50 MA and it's in the previous week was like a nice, beautiful, big ass bullish candle like that, that's the perfect one. You're going to get a Fibonacci. You're going to put the Fibonacci from wick to wick. You're going to mark off the zone, the 0.5 to the 0.75 or the 50 to the 75. You're going to mark that off. The new candle, the next candle, which is going to open in a day, tomorrow actually, you're going to wait for that new candle to pull back into this zone. Once price pulls back into that zone, you're going to go to the 1 hour time frame, and this is what you're going to wait for on the 1 hour time frame. I'll show you. Hold up. I'm gonna give y'all a winning strategy. I don't give a fuck. I'm just gonna show you. So once price pulls back into this zone, you're gonna wait for this. You're gonna wait for price to break this structure point, pull back to that point, and turn that resistance into new support, just like that. And then price is gonna continue to go up like that. I'll explain it a little more. So this is the last lower high. It pulled down a little bit more, and then it pushed and broke that lower high. And then it pulled back and turned that lower high into support now. It was resistance, it became support. I know y'all heard that. Resistance becomes support, support becomes a resistance. So, like I said, go to the weekly time frame, put a Fibonacci on the weekly candle. Wait for the new weekly candle to pull back to the 50 to 75 zone. Once it pulls back to that zone, you're going to go down to the fucking 1 hour time frame, and you're going to wait for the candles to do some shit like this that's on the fucking screen. Let me pull it over a little bit more so y'all can see. You're going to wait for this. You see that pattern? Wait for the candles to do a pattern like this. And at this area, like right here, price will create like a confirmation candle. It'll be like a bullish engulfing candle or something like that. So you're just going to wait for price to pull down, break the structure point, pull back, and confirm that price is flipping and reversing. Easiest strategy in the fucking world. Go ahead and use it.